Alrighty guys, Chris Oz Canopies and 4x4 back here again. We've got another GWM Cannon Alpha in today. Very straightforward job. We're gonna get one of our manual roller shutters assembled and fitted. Lovely, these come at bare time, so we don't have to muck about with a sports bar, but if you wanted one, you could get one. Anyway, let's get stuck into it. I'll see you guys at the end. Alrighty guys, hopefully you enjoy the assembly and fit process of our manual roller shutter on this GWM Cannon Alpha. One thing I want to draw attention to, even though I don't have the keys, you can entirely use the tailgate. You know what, the keys must be present somewhere here. So you can see how in this instance there, you've got the split tailgate so that you can actually use it. Now, how do we open the tailgate again? There we go, right? So for the most part, the guys with our roller shutters fitted either manual or electric, we'll just leave the thing perpetually closed like so and just sort of open and close the tailgate like so. And then obviously if you wanted to drop that tailgate right down, you could do that as well, which I may as well demonstrate. Boom. Man, these tailgates are so tricky. Every single time I see them, I'm always impressed. Anyway, very, very straightforward. Obviously in this instance, because it is a PHEV, unfortunately, the spare tire needs to go someplace on the tub. A lot of people just decide to put a strap over the wheel wells there and get it secured like so. The roller shutter itself, to operate it, what you do is you pull first. Once you press the unlock button, it'll roll all the way forward. If you didn't want it to go all the way, there's a controller underneath the handle that stops it halfway like so as well. So you can see we went through and water tested it to make sure it's as watertight as it can be. It is available online right now, ozcanopies.com.au. We ship Australia-wide, and this video should help you get it all assembled and fitted quite easily. Anyway, other than that, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. We will see you guys on the next one.